Are you looking for a sweet life without the sugar rush? Say hello to Stevia, the natural sweetener that's changing the game. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Stevia, uncovering its origins, health benefits, and why it might just be the perfect alternative to sugar. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply curious, you're in the right place. So, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on a sweet journey that promises to keep your health in check. Stay tuned. Stevia is a natural sweetener derived from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant. It offers a zero-calorie, sugar-free alternative, ideal for those monitoring their sugar intake or managing diabetes. Unlike artificial sweeteners, Stevia is plant-based, making it a favorite in health-conscious communities. Its versatility extends from beverages to baked goods, offering a sweet taste without the guilt. Let's delve into the remarkable health benefits of Stevia, a natural sweetener that not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but also offers a myriad of advantages for your well-being. Here are 10 health benefits of Stevia, 0 calories. Stevia is a no-calorie sweetener, making it an excellent choice for weight management and calorie reduction. Blood sugar control. It can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. Blood pressure. Some studies suggest that Stevia may help in lowering high blood pressure. Dental health. Unlike sugar, Stevia does not contribute to tooth decay, promoting better dental health. Antioxidant properties. Stevia contains antioxidant compounds, which can help combat oxidative stress and improve overall health. Anti-inflammatory. The plant's compounds may possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can benefit overall health and well-being. No carbohydrates. Stevia is carb-free, making it a suitable sweetener for low-carb and ketogenic diets. Longevity. With no glycemic impact, Stevia is an excellent choice for maintaining long-term health and preventing chronic diseases. Non-glycemic. It doesn't spike blood sugar levels, which is crucial for managing diabetes and maintaining stable energy levels. Natural origin. Being plant-derived, Stevia is often preferred over artificial sweeteners for those seeking natural dietary choices. These benefits make Stevia a popular choice among individuals looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle while still enjoying sweet flavors in their diet. And there you have it, the sweet world of Stevia, packed with benefits that extend far beyond just cutting calories. Whether you're aiming to manage your weight, control diabetes, or simply make a healthier choice, Stevia stands out as a natural ally in your wellness journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Embrace the sweetness of Stevia in your life and discover a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.